Welcome back to Drive Comfort 2 channel, where we bring you the latest, greatest, and most exciting updates from the world of cars. If you're into high-performance machines, cutting-edge tech, and bold design, you're in the right place. Be sure to subscribe and hit that bell icon so you never miss a ride with us. Today, we're diving into one of the most anticipated performance sedans of the year, the 2025 BMW M3 iM3. This isn't just another M3 update, it's a statement. The iM3 blends electric power with classic MDNA in a way that's turning heads across the automotive world. It's bold, it's powerful, and yes, it's electric. Let's start with the heart of the iM3. Underneath the sleek, aggressive bodywork lies a fully electric powertrain that produces a jaw-dropping 718 horsepower. BMW has equipped this beast with a quad-motor setup, one for each wheel, delivering not just mind-blowing acceleration but also razor-sharp torque vectoring. This means the iM3 can not only launch from 0 to 60 in under 2.8 seconds, but it also handles with an agility that feels closer to a supercar than a sedan. The electric M3 rides on BMW's Neue Klasse platform, which was developed from the ground up to support their next generation of EVs. This allows the iM3 to have a perfectly flat floor, optimal weight distribution, and a low center of gravity, all the right ingredients for performance. But don't worry, BMW didn't sacrifice soul in the pursuit of silence. The iM3 features a custom-designed synthetic M sound experience, created in collaboration with Hans Zimmer, that adapts based on throttle input and driving mode. It's not just noise, it's music that matches the performance. From a design standpoint, the 2025 iM3 keeps some classic M3 cues while pushing into new territory. The front grille is still aggressive, though slightly more refined compared to recent models, and it's flanked by slim laser headlights that give the car a futuristic stare. Along the sides, muscular fenders and deep character lines tell you this car means business. The rear features a full-width LED light bar and an aggressive diffuser, though of course, no exhaust pipes, a quiet reminder that this M3 breathes electrons, not gasoline. Step inside and you're greeted with a driver-focused cockpit that mixes luxury with high-tech innovation. The curved display integrates both the instrument cluster and infotainment system into one seamless interface, powered by BMW's latest iDrive 9 system. Expect fast response times, deep customization options, and full integration with your digital life, including over-the-air updates and advanced voice control. There's also a new augmented reality heads-up display that overlays key driving information right onto the windshield. BMW hasn't ignored comfort either. The iM3's cabin features high-end materials, optional carbon fiber trim, and M-specific sport seats that offer both support and everyday usability. Whether you're carving up a mountain road or stuck in traffic, the iM3 keeps you engaged and comfortable. One of the biggest talking points, of course, is range and charging. The iM3 comes with an 89 kWh battery pack, delivering a range of approximately 300 miles on a full charge. Thanks to 800-volt charging architecture, you can recover up to 170 miles of range in just 15 minutes using a fast charger. So while it's fast on the road, it's also fast when it comes to getting back out there. BMW says the goal with the iM3 was not to replace the traditional M3, but to reimagine what an M car can be in the electric age. And honestly, they nailed it. This isn't a compliance car or a watered-down performance EV. This is an M3 through and through, only now it's powered by the future. So, is the 2025 BMW iM3 the new king of electric sports sedans? It just might be. With performance that rivals supercars, a tech-packed interior, and the unmistakable character of an M car, it's one of the most exciting EVs of the year. Whether you're a die-hard BMW fan or just looking for the next great driving machine, the iM3 deserves your attention. Thanks for watching, and if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more high-performance reviews, test drives, and all the latest from the automotive world. We'll catch you in the next one. Until then, drive safe and stay curious.